So welcome back to Rock Solid Motorsports. Today we have the privilege to introduce to you this beautiful 2009 Chevrolet Corvette. And this car comes to us just an excellent example of the C6 Corvette with that black on black appearance with the black exterior, factory exterior paint, the black leather interior, a very stock presenting car. But under the hood, you have that very potent 6.2 liter LS3 that is fitted with an A&A supercharger kit, just really waking up this Corvette, giving it a lot more performance than over the stock capabilities. And coming inside of the Corvette, you'll find an excellent presenting interior, very little wear, if any, on this interior, which you'd come to expect from a 13,000 original mile Corvette. And not only is this a beautiful looking Corvette, it's a great driving car, like we said. So we'll grab the other cameras and take it for a test drive.
Beautiful, black on black.
Absolutely. Yeah, so now we're gonna go for a test drive in that gorgeous 2009 Chevrolet Corvette. And, I mean, it fires right up, just like you'd expect from a 13,000 mile Corvette.
Yeah.
And definitely, I mean, it's got that A&A supercharger based on the Vortech centrifugal force supercharger. And you can just tell the car was professionally tuned, installed. I mean, it runs and drives beautifully.
Oh yeah.
It's very stock street manners with a lot of extra power.
And low miles. I mean, the odometer is showing 13,487.
Absolutely.
And the car presents like a 14,000 mile car.
It does.
Very clean car.
Yeah, very few stone chips on the front. There's two little touch-ups on the front from a front license plate being on the car at one point. But other than that, this car is just easy driving car.
And what's better than a C6 Corvette but a supercharged C6 Corvette?
Oh, absolutely. Keeps that stock appearance. I mean, it's got some like smoked running lights up front, the smoked tail lights. But as far after that, it's just a very stock presenting Corvette. So guys are just going to assume you just have a stock Corvette.
And it's beautiful. That black exterior is in excellent condition.
It is.
Those polished factory wheels just really set this car off.
They do. I mean, the suspension's nice and tight, drivetrain's nice and tight. I mean, we're coming around this curve at about 50 miles an hour, and it's just super flat. I mean,
and everything works like it should. Probably check cruise control, but it should work. We got AM, FM, CD, climate control, and the AC is nice and cold.
I would if traffic's going a little slow.
All our gauges are operable.
Yep, cruise works.
Power windows work. The
OnStar we haven't checked, but I'm sure it works.
Yeah. Your compass on the mirror works.
Yep. Radio works, and I tried that once before if you didn't say that before.
And an excellent interior. I mean, this interior shows very little to any.
There's a hint of wear on the bolster on the outside of the driver's side, but
yeah, no tears or anything. It's just
the leather's real soft and pliable.
Yeah.
I mean, it's been definitely well cared for.
The carpet's in excellent condition.
Yeah, everything on this car's in excellent condition. It's a very nice example of these C6s. I mean, it's hard to find them with this low miles, especially modified.
And they're a great driving, handling car.
They are.
Yeah, I mean, it's just what you expect from
A low mileage
Corvette.
Yeah. It stops nicely, of course. I mean, you have that great independent rear suspension, four-wheel power disc brakes. So, I mean, when you're out of boost, I mean, it just drives. I mean, you can definitely hear that. It's got an upgraded cam and exhaust, so you get a little bit more aggressive note, but it just kind of thumps. It's got a great V8 note.
It does.
But yeah, just cruising out of boost, I mean, it's just got very stock street manners. Great oil pressure. I think we're just shy of 40 pounds.
And idle.
And idle and warmed up, yeah. But let that supercharger
Yeah.
Brought itself right back in. It's a great,
Held on.
yeah. So made some great noises.
It does.
Yeah. It was a great,
Fabulous noises. A
Yeah.
great car. I mean, if you're in the market for a great Corvette, low mile, it's been extremely well maintained and cared for.
absolutely.
With some really nice go fast goodie upgrades.
Yeah.
I mean, you want to check out this car. You do not want to miss out.
Yeah. It checks all the boxes. Yeah. Definitely drive it, show it,
Yeah.
check it out. Oh, you're recording now. Okay. So now that we're done with the test drive, we'll move on to the walk around inspection portion of the test drive video. This is really not going to take long. It's going to be more of a highlight reel of just a gorgeous Corvette. But there are a handful of little nicks that we'll point out. But coming across the windshield, you will not find any. It's a nice, clean windshield. No stone chips or cracks to really even note. Wiper arm and assembly is in excellent condition. Same with your pillar. Coming into your driver's side front fender, your fender is nice and straight. Actually, the body on this entire car is very straight.
I don't think it'll show up, but there's a couple really
Very fine scratches.
nitpicky.
Yeah, probably even buff out. They're coming even down low on the fender. I mean, you might have some stone chips on the inside lip, but nothing on the outside to note. It's that beautiful black factory paint. Your headlight assembly is extremely clean and clear. Same with your marker light lenses, which have been smoked. Your driver's side front wheel is in excellent condition, shines very well. Wrapped in Goodyear Eagle F1 tires. They are dated 08. Coming across the driver's side of the hood is nice and straight and clean. No condition items there to note. Your front bumper is very straight. You do have a handful, you have two touch-ups, I think, where the bolts from a license plate bracket rubbed on the bumper. But you don't really notice them until you get up on the car. Your Corvette emblem is in excellent condition. I'm not noticing many other defects on the front bumper. It's an extremely clean bumper. Headlight assembly, fog light assemblies on the front end are all nice and clean and clear. Passenger side of the hood, just as clean as the driver's side. Might have a really faint scratch up here. Again, it would easily buff out. Coming across the passenger side of the fender, just as clean as the driver's side. Really not noticing anything, not even the scratches that we noticed on the driver's side. Again, lack of stone chips behind the front tire. And the front wheel and tire just as clean as the driver's side. Coming across the passenger side of the windshield, again, nice and clean. Not noticing any stone chips anywhere. Do have a handful of like scratches in this trim piece here. Same with this one right here, where the fender meets the hood. But those are very nitpicky and minor. Passenger side mirror assembly is very clean. Same with your passenger side door and rocker. Nice and straight. Picking off some dirt off the door. And your glass throughout is in excellent condition. No heavy scratches, no chips. Glass index is like it should.
Coming into the interior, we find an excellent presenting interior, just like you would expect from a low mile Corvette. It's like absent of wear. I mean, all your buttons are nice and crisp and clear. Door jamb, scuff plates, very good condition. Passenger side leather seat, very good. Again, there's no tears, no rips in the leather. All of your carpet is nice and black, in very good condition. The dash, nice and straight, no warping, no cracking. Same with the passenger side of the center console, nice and clean. Your target top, very good condition.
And coming across that glass target top, is in very good condition. It does kind of have that stereotypical kind of stress cracking in it. It's hard to see from the outside, but you'll see it you can see it from the inside, the very minor crossbars, or what is your roof on this car, is in very good condition. Passenger side rear quarter is in excellent condition, nice and straight. Same with your marker light lens. Your right rear wheel and tire, very comparable to the rest.
You have a little bit of rash on the one edge.
The rear hatch glass is in excellent condition. No condition items there to note.
A very minor
Scratch on the deck lid.
Can't even feel it with my thumbnails.
Trunk opens just like it should. And the trunk compartment looks like it's been sparingly used. No wear in that carpet to note. Same with the trim underneath your hatch. And come across your rear bumper. Your rear bumper's nice and straight. Taillight lenses are nice and clear. Lower valance in very good condition. No condition items there to note. Across the driver's side rear quarter is nice and straight. Same with the driver's side rear glass. No defects of any kind to really note. You might have some really nitpicky stone chips inside the wheel well, but no major ones outside. Another polished wheel presenting very well on the driver's side rear, just like the other three that we've seen so far. Across the glass target top, again, very good condition. Same with your driver's side glass is nice and clean and clear. Driver's side mirrors free of any heavy scratches or defects. Here's an excellent example of these C6 Corvettes.
The driver's side of the interior, very comparable to the passenger side, in an excellent condition throughout. You might have some real light scuffing from just using it, maybe had a ring on, but your door jambs, again, very little use, so very good condition. You might have a couple like very minor rubs on the driver's seat, but no tears, no heavy age. Driver's side carpet's in very good condition. Same with the steering wheel and the driver's side portion of the dash. Nice and clean, nice and straight. All your buttons on your center console are in excellent condition. Your gauge cluster. Center console, your armrest. Just look at the glass top. It's in very good condition.
And coming under the hood, you'll find a very clean and tidy engine compartment, showcasing that awesome supercharged LS3. Definitely was a professional installation. Everything looks clean. No stray wires anywhere or signs of bad fabrication. Nice, clean install. So we'll go ahead and get on in the Corvette, fire it up, and show you some lights working.
That LS3 fires up just like it should. Supercharger makes the correct sound. No excuses. I will show you some lights working. Headlights. That's your running lights. Brights. Driver side turn signal. Passenger side turn signal. All your forward lights work just like they should. What a great sound coming out of the back of this Corvette.
So if you're in the market for a beautiful 6th gen Corvette with some upgraded performance that's going to look and present just like it should, it's going to present very well at your local cruising or car show, you're going to want to take a very close look at this stunning 2009 Chevrolet Corvette. Rock Solid Motorsports.